Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I've got a Walmart haul here. There's probably going to be another haul after this one. This haul was $66. Did I say Walmart? If not, Walmart. I'm going to start on this side and work my way over there. So we tried the Starbucks creamer from Target. Let me grab it because I think it's almost empty. It is the Cinnamon Dolce Latte and it's pretty good. But I have been dying to try this one. When I got the other one, Target was sold out of this one, but Walmart had it today. And it was actually like, I think $1 cheaper at Walmart. So we're going to try the Pumpkin Spice Latte Starbucks Creamer. I got these Townhouse Flip Sides Pretzel Garlic Herb Crackers because I'm very slowly starting to stock up for my son's birthday. He's having 2 parties. So one party we're going to have at Sky Zone Trampoline Park with like friends from school and friends of my friends' kids. And then the next day, Sunday, we're going to have a birthday party at my house with my family, Matt's family, and close friends. So I'm starting to stock up very slowly on little things I can put out or have as an option. So I'm excited for those. I grabbed a couple things of toaster strudels. I like these every once in a while. Matt likes them, and I'm actually going to see if my son will try the cherry one. I don't think he would like the blueberry. But I know they're not healthy, but it's just something different every once in a while. And I actually, like I mentioned, like them. I even like them sometimes for like a little snack. So I got blueberry and cherry. Matt and Grady love these Little Bites cookies. They're like mini little soft chocolate chip cookies, so I grabbed those. I got taco seasoning because we're going to have tacos either next week or the week after. I got rainbow chip frosting to go with some cake mix because I want to do cupcakes for Grady's class on the Friday before his birthday weekend. I got some Near East rice pilaf in the roasted chicken and garlic. Here are the taco shells to go along with the taco mix. I like the stand and stuff ones because obviously they stand up on their own, which makes life a little easier. I got Matt a couple of these Chobani Flips, cookies and cream, and the s'more, so I think he'll like those. I'm all out of cooking spray. I had the Pam cooking sprays, which I got at BJ's in like a multi-pack, but I'm all out. So I needed cooking sprays, so I got an extra virgin olive oil one and a butter flavored one. These are both the Great Value Walmart brand. $1.80 and $1.60, I think, so they were actually much cheaper than the name brand, so we're going to give those a shot. I needed some deodorant, so I got the Degree Dry Spray in the Stay Fresh scent. Usually I use the Dove Dry Spray, but I wanted to try something different, and it was a little bit cheaper. I think it was cheaper by like $1 actually. I got the Black Forest Juicy Burst Gummies. These are so good. They're like a fruit snack, but they have like a juice liquid filled center. They're really good. This is the yellow cake mix that I got to make cupcakes for Grady's class along with this rainbow chip. That's not till next month, but again, I'm just sort of trying to be proactive and thinking a little bit ahead. I also got Grady's Quaker Chewy granola bars. These are the only granola bars he will eat. This is the chocolate chip 25% less sugar ones. I got another bag of the Great Value hash browns with onions and peppers. I use these, I don't know, probably twice a month to make breakfast skillets for dinner or breakfast skillets for breakfast. And these are a really good value. This is a 28-ounce bag. So every time I make this, we not only get one meal, but we get an additional couple meals for leftovers. Grady has been in a Cheddar Bunny phase, so I got the Annie's Cheddar Bunny individual packs. These are perfect for him to take for snack for school. And of course, we all like goldfish, so I got the big box to stock up on those as well. Okay, so this I was all out of. It's the Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. I've been using this for a while and I love this. Previous to this, I was using the Odor Cleanse. I did a whole video on them in my laundry routine video and I really did like that product. But this one is, I think, 1/3 of the price and it kind of is the same concept. It not only sanitizes, but I actually find that it takes like any odor or like musty smell out of my towels. I don't know, I just really like this. And the bottle lasts me a while. I feel like I only have to buy this like every 2 to 3 months, maybe closer to every 3 months, and it really does work. $10, I would suggest if you're gonna try it and you know you like it, obviously, get the biggest bottle because it's a little bit more cost effective. So this is everything again from Walmart, $65, and just stay tuned for the next haul. Hey guys, it is Monday, Columbus Day. I am off of work for the holiday and Grady is off of school. So we actually just ran to Walmart to pick up just a few of the rest of the things we needed to get us through this work week and week in general. I needed another thing of spring mix because we used our other one. We've been going through about one of these a week. So I got a spring mix. I've been wanting to try these for a while. They are the Arnold Palmer Spiked Iced Tea Lemonades. They come in a 6-pack, which is perfect because if they're not good, I won't have a 12-pack. So I'm going to try them and just kind of see because I really like Arnold Palmer and I'm curious, you know, what it tastes like, obviously, in an alcohol form. I grabbed some hard salami because I want to do like hummus, kind of like a hummus plate for lunch, and salami is one of the things I like with hummus. I got some tomatoes for the hummus plates. My son is getting low on toothpaste, so I got this Bubblegum Rush Kids Crest Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste, some lash glue. Here is the hummus that I got for the hummus plates this week, the Sabra Roasted Red Pepper. I got a couple cucumbers also for hummus, some raspberries. My son ate a few at Walmart. Some of these Ritz Crisp and Thins. These are the bacon flavor. I love these. I forget about them sometimes, but I saw them today and I grabbed them. I needed flour because I made muffins, a couple batches of muffins last week. And I'm pretty much out of flour. I don't do a lot of baking, but I do use flour for like breading meat and stuff if I'm pan frying it. And I actually saw they had a smaller portion of flour. This is a 2-pound. Most of them are 5, but I was pleasantly surprised that they make a smaller version, which is nice. And this was 88 cents. I got about 1.5 pounds of green grapes. We have all been loving these lately. A couple little treats for my cat. These salmon flavor sticks and chicken flavor sticks. I got a couple of the mini waters for my son. He takes one to school every day and he likes to have an extra one in his backpack as well. And they're just really convenient for on the go because they're so small. And lastly, I needed some more red onions. I feel like I just bought them, but we went through all of them and I needed more. So I grabbed those and I'm gonna share with you now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Okay, so my meal plan for next week, Sunday the 20th through Saturday the 26th. So last week I had the Zuppa Toscana soup on my meal plan. It did not happen because I did not have kale. So I moved it over to next week. I just have to remember to buy kale. I have it on my list on my fridge. I'm gonna do taco salads next week and then we'll just have some chips and salsa on the side. I'm gonna do a creamy tomato sausage pasta dish with just some little side salads. This is a really easy one. I actually saw Hillary over at Old World Home do it and I thought that looks like something that I would like. So I'm gonna try it and it was also really easy. I'm gonna do, we're getting our Home Chef box next week. I order a Home Chef box once a month and it comes with 4 meals. I usually do 2 of the 4 for dinners and the other 2 I usually do on the weekends for lunches, and sometimes I'll cook them and have them specifically for lunches as well. So one of the meals next week is a pork and butternut squash chili. We've had that meal before, I think about 6 months ago, and it was really good. And then I put cornbread with a question mark that I could possibly make as a side. And the question mark is because another of the Home Chef meals comes with cornbread. So the other Home Chef meal we're gonna have for dinner is a crispy onion crusted chicken breast, and it comes with jalapeno cornbread cakes that you have to make, obviously. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do it here as well. If not, I'll just do like crusty bread or some kind of a side salad. Of course, I have a freebie night. I might go to my parents' house because they were out of town last week and I haven't seen them in a couple weeks, so we might go there. And then Saturday, the 26th, is a Halloween party we're going to at my friend's house, and there's going to be dinner provided there, which is nice, and we're all going to go and get to see a lot of old friends, so we're looking forward to that. So that's the meal plan for pretty much the end, almost the last week in October. It's just crazy to think that next week I'll be showing you guys a meal plan for going into November. This year is flying by. So I hope you enjoyed this week's hauls and meal plan. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.